chink, 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 chink. This gentleman, who can take a sunrise, sprinkle it with dew, thank you, cover it with chocolate or a miracle or two. The candy man, the candy man can, the candy man can, 'cause he mixes it with love to make the world taste good. And who can take the rainbow, wrap it in a sigh, soak it in the sun and make a groovy little pie. The candy man can. You know the candy man can, 'cause he mixes it with love to make the world taste good. The candy man makes everything he makes satisfying and delicious. Talking about your childhood wishes, you can even eat the dishes. Can make tomorrow, put it in a dream, separate the sorrow, then collect up all the cream. The candy man can. You know the candy man can, 'cause he mixes it with love to make the world taste good. The candy man makes everything he makes satisfying and delicious. Talk about your childhood wishes, you can even eat the dishes. So who can take tomorrow, put it in a dream, separate the sorrow, then collect up all the cream. The candy man, I said the candy man can. The candy man can, 'cause he mixes it with love to make the world tastes good. Candy man, candy man, candy man, candy man, candy man, candy man, a candy man, candy man, candy man, a candy man, candy man, hey, a candy man. Thank you very much, ladies. This song, I could not do a show without including this song. I certainly wouldn't do a show here without including it. It's very special to me. Bojangles and he danced for you in worn out shoes, silver hair, ragged shirt, baggy pants. He would do the old soft shoe. He could jump so high, jump so high. And then he lightly touched down. I met him in a cell in New Orleans. I was down and out. He looked to me to be the very eyes of age. As he spoke right out, talked of life, talked of life, laughed, slapped his leg a step. He said his name was Bojangles, then he danced a lick. Right across the cell, grab his pants, take a better stance, jump up high. That's when he'd click his heels. Then he'd let go that laugh. Lord, 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 he'd let go a laugh. Shake back his clothes all around. That was Mr. Bojangles. Mr. Bojangles. Mr. Bojangles. The man could dance. Told me other times he worked with minstrel shows, traveling throughout the South. Spoke with tears of 15 years how his dog and he, they would travel about. But his dog up and died. The dog, just not old, and died. After 20 years he still breathed. Said I dance now at every chance in honky-tonks.
For my tricks and tips, but most of the time I spend behind these county bars. You see, son, I drinks a bit.
Then he shook his head. I could swear I heard someone say please. That's Mr. Bojangles. Call him Mr. Bojangles. Mr. Bojangles, come back and dance. Dance, dance, dance. Mr. Bojangles, dance. Oh, won't you come back and dance? Please, Bojangles, we need to see you dance again. Mr. Bo, Mr. Bo, Mr. Bojangles.
Murphy, look out.
You say this guy's in love with you. Yes, I'm in love. Who looks at you the way I do? When you smile, I can tell we know each other very well. How can I show you? I'm glad I got to know you, 'cause I've heard some talk. They say you think I'm fine. Yes, I'm in love, and what I do to make you mine. Tell me now, is it so? Don't let me be the last to know. You know my hand is shaking. that I will die. Sock it to me softly. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. The guy's in love with you. Oh, I love Herb Albert too. I'm in love with